I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate with cocoa powder. Start by gathering cocoa powder, sugar, cocoa butter or coconut oil, milk powder or milk, and a heatproof bowl. Measure ingredients precisely, melt fats gently over low heat, and whisk in dry ingredients until smooth. Temper or cool properly to set gloss and snap. Pour into molds, tap out air, and chill until firm for best texture and flavor. Measure 1 part cocoa powder to 1 part sugar, and adjust to taste, using cocoa butter or 1 part coconut oil for fat. Heat fats slowly until just melted, then remove from heat and whisk in dry mix and milk powder for creaminess. Continue stirring off heat until glossy, then temper by cooling to about 27 degrees C and reheating to 31 degrees C for dark chocolate or 30 degrees C for milk chocolate. Proper tempering gives chocolate a shiny finish and crisp snap, and you can use seed or tabling methods. If grainy, gently reheat and add a small amount of melted fat to smooth texture, and avoid water contact to prevent seizing. Store finished bars in a cool, dry place away from strong odors, ideally at 15-18 degrees C, and wrap or vacuum seal for up to several weeks to preserve flavor and quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.